off the internet. It's a Saab.
Yeah.
There's nothing special.
Like a Saab.
Yeah, it looks just like a gray Saab.
Yeah.
But you have to admit, it's over 1 million miles. So.
Yeah. What was the business? What was the salesman?
You want to hold that up to the windshield, Mom?
All for an evil end.
Oh no, where are you going, running guy? Oh, that's like Daddy this morning. Let's see if we can see the Great Wolf Lodge. We can't.
Nope.
It's hidden. It's hidden back there.
Hold that up.
I think we went by. Yeah, it's back there. We're coming up on like that Kohl's building. There's Kohl's.
Oh, there it is. You can finally see it.
It's Kohl's. There's the truck in front of us. Oh man, lake effect. Oh, it's just getting worse. Okay, here.
Thanks, Mom. I'll post it on YouTube.